We are going to see about how the heart sounds are auscultated. Okay, the heart sound auscultation goes like the aortic valve, pulmonic valve, Erbs point, then coming on to the mitral valve, and then the other valve. Tricusid valve. So coming on, there will be 5 areas like what will be remembered as A to man. Okay, A to man. So this is A is aortic. Once again, I will just pass it so that we can have an idea. So A will be aortic, P will be pulmonic valve. Okay, P will be pulmonic, E will be Erbs, T is, what is T talking about? Tricuspid. Tricuspid. And then coming on to the M is mitral. So aortic, pulmonic, Erbs, tricuspid and mitral. So when you see this as, you can remember it as A to man. APETM. Okay. So the order of assessment will be like aortic, pulmonic, Erbs, tricuspid and mitral. Where is this aortic sound being heard? So when the heart lies in between the area of second intercostal space to which intercostal space? Fifth intercostal space. From the second intercostal space to the fifth intercostal space. So when we say the aorta is a superficial great vessel. So it is being seen in the aortic region, that is the second left intercostal space, where you can see in the right side. Why it is in the right side? Why it is in the right side? So the auscultation, so this is the mediastinum. You will be auscultating in the second intercostal space in the right side. Do you know that the aorta and pulmonary arteries are overriding? Yes or no? You have drawn in your image that both things are overriding. It means that you see, for example, when you see this, the aorta will be coming like this from the left ventricle. Yes or no? Yes, the aorta will be coming from the left ventricle. This will be the RA, LA, RB and LB. So this is the aorta, but it will be overriding. So here you have which vessel? Pulmonary arteries. The pulmonary artery, the pulmonary trunk. So you have this one. This is right pulmonary artery. Here you have the left pulmonary artery. This is called as pulmonary trunk. This is called pulmonary trunk. It arises from the right ventricle. So the right ventricle will be giving space for the pulmonary trunk to come, and it will get crossed over, or it will be overriding this space. So only we will be able to auscultate this aortic point in the right side. Okay, right side, and this pulmonary artery or the pulmonic sounds in the left side. You understand? So though the aorta comes from left ventricle, since there is overriding of these two major vessels, it will be seen in the right side, whether it is the aorta. Okay, pulmonic will be in the left side. Auscultation point of view only. Okay, only in the point of auscultation. That is why we will be looking this point in the second right intercostal space. It will be aortic. The same second left intercostal space, it will be pulmonic. Okay, so second right intercostal is aortic and second left intercostal is pulmonic. When we come to the E point, that is the Erbs point, you will be seeing it in the third left intercostal space. Second right and second left, then third one will be the Erbs point in the third left intercostal space near to the sternum. Near just adjacent to the sternum. So just adjacent, this will be the sternum. So just near to the sternum, midline of the sternum, you can see the Erbs point. You know where the tricuspid and mitral valve are auscultated? Fourth left intercostal space will be the tricuspid area. So coming on to this region, you can see the tricuspid region where you can auscultate. Second rib, for example, for instance, if this is the second rib, third rib, fourth rib. Fourth intercostal space is between the fourth rib and fifth rib. Fourth intercostal space is in between the fourth rib and fifth rib. So you can auscultate in the fourth left intercostal space, that is the tricuspid.